loop here. Let's make a bracelet. Alright, now this is the cross Sinnet chain. Where I learned it, they call it the cross Sinnet chain with 4 strands. I only used 2 working strands, but it is actually 4 strands. This is not a new knot. This knot has been around a long time. It's an old macrame knot. Fellow paracordist named Sean Evans turned me on to this knot here a week or so back, and I just liked the way it looked, so I tinkered around with it, and this is what we came out with. I'm using a 5/8 inch buckle. As you can see, it's 9 1/4 inches long, the bracelet. I used 12 feet of cord to make this. It's got the excuse me, double half hitches on the bottom. You can watch the previous video to this one, which is the Icelandic Dream video, and it will show you how to do the double half hitch knots. I didn't put it in this video, trying to save time. Alright guys, I'll put the link to the video where I learned this down below. You guys go over and check it out, and if you'll just hold on, we'll get set up and make this bracelet. Okay guys, let's get started. It's a fairly simple knot. I went ahead and spliced my cords together. I've got my double half hitch on the bottom. I've brought it up. I've made my double half hitch on the top where my 2 cords are on the inside, my 2 working cords. I'm not going to show you how to set this up in this video. If you'd like to know how to set the double half hitches up, you can watch the previous video, my Icelandic Dream bar video. It will show you how to do the half hitches. We're doing this to save time. Alright guys, let's get started. First off, we're going to take the orange, going to cross it over. Let's get the gray out of the way. Then we're going to take it over the gray, under, out the other side. That simple. Pull it up tight. Now this one, we're going to bring it through the middle, around the gray, through the loop. Should look just like that. Pull it down tight. Get it out of the way. Now we're going to do the same thing with the gray. We're going to bring the gray over. We're going to go over the orange, around, back through, pull it up tight. Now we're going to take it one more time, around, through the hole, pull everything out the other side. Should look just like that. Pull it down tight. Like I said at the beginning of the video guys, this knot has been around for a long time. It's an old macrame knot that a buddy of mine, Sean, brought to my attention the other day, and thought it'd make a pretty cool bracelet. We'll go ahead and since we're going with the gray, we'll continue with the gray. Do it same way again. Go over, around, pull that orange out of the way, pull it down tight. Now we're going to take this one, we're going to come back in the middle, around, through the hole. Should look just like that. Pull it down tight. Now we're going to take the orange. Whoop. We're going to cross it over. Go over the orange, around, through the hole. Pull it up tight. Now we're going to take it through the middle, around, through the hole. Should look just like that. Get that out of the way. Pull it down tight. Now we're going to take the orange across to the other side. Once again, Should look just like that. Pull it down tight. Then we bring it on the inside. Should look just like that. Pull it down tight. We're going to do this last one, then we'll pause and catch up with you guys at the end. Alright guys, I think you got the hang of it. We'll pick back up at the end. Okay guys, now that we're almost to the end, I'll go ahead and finish this off with you. As you can see, I'm coming over with my right hand side. Again, we're going to go over, under, through the hole. Should look just like that. Pull it down tight. Now we're going to come inside, around, back through the hole. Just like that. Pull it down tight. Go over to the other side. Go around, over, under, just like that. Pull it up tight. Now we're going to take this one on the inside. Pull it back through the loop, just like that. And pull it down tight. Covered up our nasty little burn there. Finish this off. As I said before earlier at the beginning of the video, guys, this knot has been around a long time. It's the 4-strand Sinnet chain. The link for the video where I learned this will be down below. You guys go over and check it out. It's a really interesting video, and you can do a lot of different things with this knot. It's not something that's, just came out. It's not my idea by any means. And I want to thank Sean Evans, very talented paracordist, for turning me on to this knot. I think it's a really cool knot. And I'll shut up and we'll finish this thing off. And we'll go one more up through here. And down through here. And up through here. And I don't think we're going to be able to squeeze another one out, but I'm going to try so we can finish this dog off. Alright guys, there you go. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my fid, if I can find it, which it's right here. If you don't have a set of fids, guys, it's alright. You can use whatever you have. A pair of needle nose pliers, hemostats. But I'm just going to pull this down through the bottom. Just like that. Take this off. Pull this one through the bottom. Now we've got those two there. And to finish it off, we are going to do just a plain, simple Solomon. Alright guys, the way I end my bracelets, guys, it's all in, you can do it any way you want. I'm just doing it like this. If you find a better way, do it a different way. We're going to snip it down close like we do with everything else. Take our handy dandy lighter here. Gently singe it. And there we go. We are done. Now you have one finished cross Sinnet chain. Like I said in the beginning, it's not one of my knots. It's been around a long time. It's an old Macramé knot. Back of it looks just like that. Thought it was just a another cool piece of new inventory for you. Alright guys, you guys all know we've got the Facebook page up and going, along with Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and our new Swampville Craftables. Anything you make with your own two hands, come on over, join the group, post anything you like. As always, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. If you guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. And with all that being said, my friends, old Coop's gonna say, Coop out.